Kumusta bay? Yawa. Anyway, bay, kumusta diha? And as you all know, nakoy ka lang, kibawa mo nga, nakoy ka lang vlog nga in English, katong akong vlog nga kanang, ito ka ni, bisdakvlagger, which is, maybe in the comment below, the description below, di ay, yeah, kanang, yeah, I've been doing crappy vlogs and everything, so I haven't been doing much, and lately I'm trying to fix things as well as trying to fix myself. This is just the intro, but anyway, yeah, so right now I've just enrolled to gym, so hopefully I can get more videos of it, my life going on, and I'm going to try to finish my backlogs and everything. So daghang higog ka lang tangan ayuhon sa akong kinabuhi ug sa akong mga buhatonon. Ano na po itong tadya? Anyway, ako din punto karon, balik ko sa topic. Kanang daghang kitang distraction ba? And I have only like 14% sa akong battery, so I have to film it fast right now para masulod ang battery niya, ma-upload din na akong video karon. So, as you all know, nag-try ko nga himog daghang mga videos lately, and I've realized that ang akong mga videos lately is not good. It's not kanang dili siya pulido, and quality is not good. I'm trying to use good cameras, but ang quality was siya ayo. Also, I've been trying to think about my lenses. So for today, we're gonna discuss more about our lenses, and we'll try to fix this video out. Side note is making vlogs, making videos, making content is so hard. I just want to commend all the vloggers out there, content creators, video makers, filmmakers, and for doing a good job. And yeah, that's it. So kadang yeah, sa to ngayon. Oh yeah, I've been using the a7iv, a7iv, a7iv. This is not. Oh, by the way, taghanag ka ng sides ko. By the way, this video is not sponsored in any way. This is just a video of me just talking to the camera. But anyway, so I've been using the a7iv for like travel. I've used it for like 2-3 travels already. It's quite heavy siya nga camera, so that's why I got the ZVE1. But ang ZVE1 is like, it doesn't do photos, so it doesn't satisfy my craving for photos and taking a lot of photos. So one of the things I do is that ang akong A7C sauna is the best camera. I can use my 28-70 lens for it and mag-travel ko. Gamay siya. And then I use this lens here, which is the Samyang 18 2.8, which is so cheap. Again, not sponsored. For my vlog. So gamay ka siya, sakto ka siya weight, sakto ka siya purma. So that's why I love that camera. But the thing is, yeah, time goes and there's new camera coming in, and nag 10-bit ang one camera. So I had to let go of that camera and make way for the a7iv. Also, I got the ZVE1, which I tried, pero thing is, diligay siya mo. Nindot siya weight, but nindot pagin siya kay wala siya microphone ba, but it doesn't work for me because kanang wala siya yung photo is like 12 megapixels, which is not enough for me. I'm a first-hand photographer, so I should have a good photo camera. Anyway, moving on. I changed my setup sa akong a7iv. I use this lens here, which is the Tamron 20-40 2.8, which is also not sponsored, but I love this lens. Kanang sakto siya ba? Anan mo, vlog ni mo 20 mil, sakto kay 20 millimeter. Anan mo sa 40 mo zoom din ba kay before nagagamit ko kanang camera for photos for travel. Akong nagamit is Canon 5D Mark II, Mark III, and then akong gigamit na lens is 17-40 f4. So 17 is so good for travel. Maka-picture kag mga wide stuff and everything, maka-selfie ka, and 40 maka-zoom ka murag almost 50, almost portrait. So that was the best lens, those in f4. Yeah, so moving on, I moved to Sony, and I've been using initially kaning 17-28 for travel. 17 millimeter, and then zoom siya 28. So ang ihang zoom dili kayo grabe. So muna siya like it's a good lens for more animong shot for travel. If you're gonna use only one lens, usaray mo dadun kanang wide siya o kanang semi-wide nana 28 mil. So muna siya ni kuha ni nagagamit ko ning lens, but I've been using this lens more di malipayon, like something is wrong, especially yeah, 20 is good for like kung mag-vlog ka 17, kung ma-20 ka kani mo 20. So kung handheld na ni 17, 20. So gamay ra kay siya difference, but mas prefer ko aning 18 mil. But di sa siya ma-zoom. So I've been using this lens for travel and everything. So murag tagi ko lang ba. So right now I just went back to my old vlogging lens, which is the 17-28 for vlogging only. So na-realize ko nindot dili kay ganan mo ba makita mo direct magdako kay view ba dili kay nang kita inana ba like ang 20 20 din. 20 na naman. Na rin makita ni mo niya. Kung mag 17 ka, ako kay masulod ba? Daghang kay magmasulod. So, in saying that, the conclusion karon is that if you're after traveling and hilig kag wide shots and everything, hindi kay kahilig ka ng mga portrait and everything or zoom, 70 to 28 is very good, or you can get the 1635 from Sony, but di mo siya balansi, so di kay ko ganahan ko balansi akong gamit. Or you can get the 20 to 40 kung hilig sa kag mag portrait. So you can let go of the wide part para vlogging. You can just use 20 yung palayo lang kagamay, na lang. You can use this lens. Again, this is not I'm not sponsored anyway, but I like to give you my views on the two lenses. Kung ganahan kag wide lenses like me, 70 to 28 is very good. Ag-zoom ni mo, wala pag siya mo gawas sa tumoy ba sa Tamron. Kani siya, na mo gawas, kung mag 20mm ka, ana siya. Kung mag wide na, kung mag telephoto ka, ana na noon. And then, lately, nabitin ko sa 20. So, we'll be using this lens again. And we'll see how we go. If not, if mawut ang A7C part 2, version 2, which is I'm planning to buy because I just sold my ZVE 1. I'm gonna use this lens here and we're gonna go a bit wider. I hope I'm gonna enjoy that using that camera kay gaan siya ba. And dali na doon. Yung photo is 33 megapixels. Mo siya baby A7 IV. The problem is mo lang wala yung memory card niya is different. Y'all see all the videos, but yeah, hopefully then we can just do a lot of good content and good videos, and malingaw sad mo and malingaw tantanan. Muna siya. Mura na akong video karon. Isaka na akong 6 minutes 40. Stop na ko. Baka nang tabian kita. Pero ako lang yung point lang karon is like, yeah, you can use these two lenses. It's very good for vlogging, for travel, for everything. Tamron is not bad. It's a really good lens. But yeah, you have to know which one is the best for you. Which one do you prefer? As of now, I prefer this for travel, but I would love the wide one. Kailangan ko either 16 or 17 to 40. 2.8, but that's gonna be a big lens. Di na sila balansi, but hopefully, yeah, mura na siya. But may nakuha sa akong idea, thought, spur of the moment. Anyway, 8% sa camera, 7 minutes. See you tomorrow, guys. By future me editing this video, kanang wala ko kabaw kung ako bang microphone to naga-buzz or kay tungod na ang akong naskilid sa camera ganina. Pero mao lang.